VPNs are a great tool to protect your online privacy and security, but with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. Here are some things to pay attention to when selecting a VPN extension. The first thing to look for in a VPN extension is its security and privacy features. You want a VPN extension that uses strong encryption and has a no-logs policy. This means that it won't store any of your browsing data, keeping your online activities private and secure. Next, check the speed and performance of the VPN extension. A good VPN extension should provide fast and reliable connection speeds. Slow connection speeds can make browsing and streaming frustrating, so this is an important factor to consider. It's also important to look for a VPN extension that offers a large number of server locations in different countries. This will give you more options to choose from and help you bypass your restrictions. Make sure the VPN extension has servers in the countries you need to access. Consider the additional features that the VPN extension offers, such as ad blockers, split tunneling, kill switch, and others. These features can make your browsing experience more secure and convenient, so it's worth looking into what each VPN extension offers. Finally, consider the cost of the VPN extension, whether it's free or paid. Remember, sometimes a free VPN may not provide the same level of security and features as a paid VPN. If you decide to go for a paid VPN, make sure to check the pricing and subscription options. We have an extensive list of free VPN extensions on PopUpSmart's blog page, such as One-Click VPN, which is completely free and safely and privately hides IP addresses while providing access to restricted content. And also VPN, which is easy to install and has 2,500 servers all over the world. Go ahead and check it out at popupsmart.com/blog, and I'll see you next time.